Mount Panorama is a bucket list item for a lot of race car drivers around the world, but a lot of people want the chance to go around. And here's the thing, on the average weekday, it is just a public road, so you can't go over 60 k's an hour. However, when it's closed as a racetrack, you can go flat out. Not many people get that opportunity. We're about to change that for some very lucky people. We have 6 course car rides to give out. That's right, 6 people. We're going to go find them right now. They're going to win a ride thanks to Sparesbox around Bathurst. Full tilt. Let's go. Well, one way to experience Bathurst is on the simulator. I reckon we try and sneak up on these guys, see how serious they are about it, and see if they want to win a ride. How you going, bud?
Going all right, mate. How are you?
You ever driven around Bathurst in a simulator before?
Many times.
All right, have you ever driven around it for real?
No.
Would you like to?
Yes, I would love to.
What if I told you that if you beat him, I'll give you a VIP passenger ride in one of the course cars around Bathurst flat out? What do you reckon?
It'd be sensational. Yeah.
Should we wait here and see if you win or what? What if I distract you a little bit? What if you have to answer questions while you're driving Bathurst?
Right, should be okay.
You look like I was about to say you look like you're doing pretty good. What's your name, buddy?
Andrew.
Andrew? My name's Andrew as well, mate. Well, there you go. Andrew is our first winner. Congratulations, mate. Thanks to Sparesbox, you have won a lap around Mount Panorama. And guess what? They won't do that.
No, excellent. Thanks, mate.
The 12-hour itself, a massive international event, brings so much focus from the world's motorsport into Australia. In terms of who's going to win, I don't know, that Porsche's looking pretty good at the time being, but if we're going local heroes, definitely young Feeney. But I reckon that's my best bet. Oh, it's good to see so many different people here from literally everywhere. That's probably the most impressive thing.
Who's going to win?
Triple Eight.
Matty Campbell and Mancy Racing.
Mercedes.
Valentina Rossi.
Gizzy.
All right, there's some dudes over here checking out my GTR. We're going to go see if they actually are GTR fans or not. If they are, I might give one of them a course ride, but we've got to check the authenticity. So it's always fascinating to listen to people talk about your car, right, at an event, and you don't know what, are they trying to impress their mates about what they know? You don't know what they're up to. So we'll have a bit of a listen. Continue. Keep telling your mate about the car. I'm curious.
I'm just telling you that I don't like the rocket covers.
What's that?
I don't like the rocket covers.
Yeah, why not?
Because it takes away from the true look of a RB26 engine.
Are you one of those GTR purists or something?
No, just it doesn't look like a GTR engine. It looks.
Do you like GTRs?
Yes.
Okay, tell me something about this car then. Not something you don't like. Tell me something good then if you're such a GTR expert.
I like that it's developed in a way that it's gone from a stock build through different forms that you could be reliable on the street to now a bigger horsepower engine that's, still drives great, still responsive, and it's not a laggy monster that you can't actually go to town and go to the shopping centre.
It's like you've watched the videos before, right?
I follow your videos.
You may have watched a couple. Why aren't you wearing a GTR shirt like this guy, though?
Well, I've got my own thing going. So I sell my own parts of cars. A Nissan, but it's not a GTR.
I was going to come over here and give a free ride around the track at Bathurst, which is pretty hard to get. I was going to give it to the biggest GTR fan here, but you seem to know a lot and sucking up to me by watching my channel while he has a GTR shirt on. Who do you think wins?
I own a GTR.
Oh, well, there you go. You win. Yes. There you go. What's your name, buddy?
Ben.
Ben. All right, there we go. Ben has won a ride around Bathurst, a sponsor ride tomorrow morning. How's that sound?
Great. In a GTR?
We wish, but no. It's in some slow Mercedes rubbish or something.
Still cool.
So that's okay.
As long as it's got air conditioning.
Yeah, it has. It's got aircon, it's good.
Are you driving?
Hell no. I want to, I don't think they'll let me.
That's a downside. Who's driving?
I don't know, some pro driver or something, just some nobody. Is that all right?
As long as he pushes, that's a good thing.
I'll give him a pep talk.
All right.
Just keep telling him the whole way, GTRs are faster than this rubbish. Yeah, I'm serious. Yeah. The guys that got the form, look, right there. You see, won it. There you go, well done. Well done, Ben.
Thanks, mate.
Said that you hurt me, no instead. I just try to understand. It was so exhausting, so I lost it. Had to make it stop. Didn't really feel like giving you the chance to make it up. You asked me what's the problem, to be honest, it was you. That's the truth. Told everyone my secrets, though I begged for you to keep
We're at the Liqui-Moly stand at the Bathurst 12. They are the naming rights sponsor. Inside, they have a Nissan Nismo R35 GTR GT3 car. There's none racing this year, but they did win the 2015 event here. So we'll head in and see if we can find any Nismo GTR fans. Let's go. All right, these guys over here seem to be having a pretty serious GTR conversation. I'm just going to, insert myself into the middle of it, just see what happens. How you going, mate? Did I sneak up on you?
A little bit, yeah.
You seem to be admiring the R35 GTR.
Yeah, I hear it doesn't have a driver, so can I pop it on the grid tomorrow? Or?
Look, I have one important question. This could change your life for the weekend. Are you a GTR fan?
Oh, how am I not?
Well, that's a very good answer, but I need more of a hell yes.
Oh, well, I reckon the hell yes goes back to touring car days of an R32, so...
See, there we go. We have a real GTR fan here. That's what we're talking about. Yeah. Real GTR fan with a hell yeah. What's your name, buddy?
James.
All right, James, guess what? Being such a big GTR fan and at least knowing something about him, I've got a present for you. How would you like to go for a ride around Bathurst in a Mercedes-AMG course car?
Is it some sort of joke or something or what?
No, this is deadly serious. Thanks to Sparesbox, I have 4 sponsor rides to give out, so I thought I'd find a GTR fan and give one away.
Can we go now?
It's tomorrow morning. You're going to be here tomorrow morning. You're going to be hungover or sober tomorrow morning?
Make sure I'm sober now.
In the middle somewhere.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Well done, mate. Awesome. Tomorrow you have won that ride.
Cheers.
Bad boy back on. Yeah, get the fire going.
boys are at Bathurst.
Last week, I got plastered at a Hottest 100 party, and then someone said Bathurst, and 6 days later, here I am.
Suggested Bathurst, his eyes lit up, and then weekend
here we
after, he saw him, he's coming to Bathurst. I think I was at work, got on the work computer and just bought 8 tickets in bulk. Here we are.
Any tips for cooling your dogs?
Get the dogs in
Dogs
the
in the esky.
Dogs
Put the dogs in the esky.
Dogs. Get the dogs in the esky. Dogs going straight in the esky.
Dogs in the esky. Power move.